How to add song on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add song on your Instagram story. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Now to begin with, go ahead and tap your story from the top, and here you'll need to go ahead and select the particular image or the video where you actually want to add a story. So let's say this is the particular one, and after you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and tap the icon located right on top, smiley icon, and click the music button. As soon as you've done that, now you can go ahead and add any of the song that you wish to add it on your story. So let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. You can also select the part by dragging towards your left or towards your right. You can also select the icon accordingly. So this is how it's gonna look like. Now click the done button from the top if you're sure about it, and then to add it to your story, click your story. So in this way you can add song on your Instagram story. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.